Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
Agilus Diagnostics.
I woke up like this कैप्शन वाला पोस्ट तो आप सभी ने देखा होगा. But what if I tell you that this can actually be true without you having to edit those posts? ये उनके लिए नहीं है who like to keep it natural, but for them जो makeup enjoy करते हैं even when it's about getting that no makeup look. Because ये trend आप सबको सोते जागते खाते पीते glamorous बना सकता है. Permanent makeup trend. But is it for everyone? We'll talk to people around us and find out what they really think about this. So, have you heard about permanent makeup?
Permanent makeup?
हाँ.
No.
परमानेंट मेकअप ये क्या होता है?
You can't have a permanent thing on you.
परमानेंट मेकअप शायद कोई टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज कर रहे हो क्या?
I think it's about like you get that your lips you make it tinted, and I think it just stays for like 6 to 7 months. And there's just blush tintness and eyebrow filling.
Couple of lakhs, I guess. More than that?
No, less than that.
Less than that?
Yeah.
This is a news to me.
Is it a long-lasting beauty solution for them? ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री में आया है ये नया ट्रेंड जिसमें परमानेंट आईलाइनर से लेकर परमानेंट लिपस्टिक तक औरतें ये ट्रीटमेंट करवा रही हैं टू लुक ग्लैमरस ऑल डे लॉन्ग. तो सबसे पहले जान लेते हैं कि ये कॉस्मेटिक ट्रीटमेंट किया कैसे जाता है. परमानेंट मेकअप और कॉस्मेटिक टैटूइंग और माइक्रोपिगमेंटेशन इज अ मेथड बाय व्हिच अ पर्सन कैन लुक एज इफ दे आर वेयरिंग मेकअप थ्रू आउट द डे. This process is carried out by using needles which are pricked into the skin to insert pigments under the surface of the skin, giving a makeup look. इस मेथड से ना तो सिर्फ आपको ब्लश चीक्स मिलते हैं बल्कि हाईलाइटेड चीक बोन्स और तो और आपके आईज एंड लिप्स एंड इवन नोज को एनहांस करता है. तो लेट्स फाइंड आउट कि ये ट्रेंड को लेकर इतना ऑब्सेशन क्यों है. Anything that makes a person look gorgeous without much effort is surely to become a topic of obsession. People are going gaga over this trend because this method can beautify your features. Your eyes look bold, your lips look pink, and can even put a permanent foundation on your face, which is called BB, Beauty Balm or Blemish Balm Foundation. But for how long does the makeup stay? Well, it is not as permanent as the name suggests. इसका मतलब बिल्कुल नहीं है कि ये मेकअप forever के लिए same रहेगा. It can last up to 3 years, but some touch-ups might be required. Let's talk about the cost involved and the health risks. Lip tinting that takes around 2 or 4 sessions costs around 10,000 to 40,000. Cheek tinting costs rupees 35 to 50,000 for the procedure. Permanent eyeliner costs around 40,000 to 60,000. BB Glow facial is 10,000 to rupees 30,000 for the procedure. And freckles can cost 25,000 to 50,000 for the entire session. So, should you do it? Doctors की माने तो इसके कई सारे potential side effects हो सकते हैं. Infection from using unhygienic practices or unsterilized equipment, allergic reactions और कई cases में keloid scarring. Trends can change rapidly and can make permanent makeup a doubtful decision. You can go for a simple and a classic look instead of a trendy design, and it will guarantee that it will not go out of style. You should be mentally prepared to experience some level of pain. The process is not completely painless. The intensity, however, varies from person to person. Also, अगर आप एक lesser experienced artist या जो properly trained नहीं है उसके पास जाओगे तो permanent makeup can be a pretty risky thing. If you are planning to go for it, एक qualified dermatologist से consultation लेना. They will help decide whether it's a safe option for you, taking into consideration your medical history and your skin type. But the decision will always be yours, as makeup is a personal choice. Talking about long-term maintenance, cost and thinking about potential removal methods before the commitment will help you make a sound decision about the financial and practical aspects. If things go wrong after getting that permanent makeup done, if you don't like it and wish to get it removed, the process can be quite painful. क्योंकि permanent makeup is like a tattoo, so the removal process is laser. Intensity अगर अलग हो सकती है पर laser removal काफी unpleasant हो सकता है and it can go on for multiple sessions. So, it's completely your choice, and to watch more weird trends, keep watching FitTag.